Hello and welcome to the custom demo for MicroSaaS AI. This is just a quick walkthrough to show you how to use it and what you can see inside the system. Now this is the dashboard. It will tell you how many built-in apps are deployed, how many custom are deployed, domains active and domains inactive. It'll give you your membership level as well. I'm also going to be updating these with information about the system as we grow it. So let me walk you through the different sections. Now the tutorials are coming over the next couple of days. We're just finishing up on those. Support desk is here. We have managed domains. Now here you can add in your custom domain. Now it's extremely easy to add in your custom domain. If you just come to new domain and just add in the domain, let's just say we add in just add that in, just add domain. It sets up the full hosting account. It takes about 60 minutes to add this domain. I'm not going to do it now for simple reason while I'm doing the demo, but it's very, very simple. Then you just click that, you add the C name in there. And once you've added the C name in, it probably takes about 1 to 2 hours to propagate at max. Then it will automatically add the DNS once it's set and set the SSL as well. So you can check the DNS and add the SSL there. Okay, so just you can keep it automatically checks it every 1 hour, but once it's resolved, you can add the SSL there and it'll add the SSL cert on as well. And once that's done, you can start deploying apps to that domain. Now, we've got different categories here. We've got manage app and new custom app and manage categories. Now, manage categories are categories that you want to add your domains, your apps to. So, for example, if you're building an app for e-commerce, you create an e-commerce category. Let's go to manage apps. Now, depending on which level you've purchased, if obviously you're a JV and you're reviewing this, we've given you top level access. If you're JV Zoo, exactly the same, we've given you top level access. So you have access to all the inbuilt apps and you can, deploy as many custom apps as you want as well. You can see the difference of the types here. So built in, these are the ones that are already built in, and the ones that are custom have this marked here. You can see if they're deployed or they're not. You can only deploy the apps once and that's it. So let's do a built-in application. So let's do this image generator here. This one, so it's not deployed, it's built in. So we go over here to this little drop down. You've got a personal login. You've got a deploy here. So let's click deploy. So once you've added your custom domain in, you can use your custom domain, or if you just want to use any of our domains, you can use those as well. So we'll use this one here, premiumsaasapp.com. Add it to a subdirectory, so we'll call this image builder. Give the site a name, so let's call it image builder. For the password, we'll just put in a password. I'll just pause that while, so just to stop all my drop downs coming in. So link to your terms. You can add your terms and conditions here, your support desk, your support email as well. I'm not going to do those now, but once you've done that, all you need to do is hit deploy. So you click deploy. It's deploying the app and you can see it's deployed to that location that we've set. Now you've got 3 logins here. You've got the admin login. This is the kind of top level login where you control the application that you're going to sell. Then you've got the register accounts and you've got the login to the software here. That's for your users. So let's log in to the admin login and the passwords here. So let's have a login. So So we're now inside the admin area. Now the admin area automatically comes with everything you need. This will include the autoresponder setup and the monetization and the sales page and the automatic connection to JVZoo and Warrior Plus. So let's walk through these. Now here you can see users. Now once we start selling this, you'll see user data appear here. If we go to settings, now here is the terms and conditions link. Obviously we didn't add that in when we set it up. You can do your support desk link, your support email, your logout redirect. So you can change your logout redirect to, wherever you want your users to log out to. Then we've got admin username and password. Now here, WP security key. This helps you log in and link up with Warrior Plus and JVZoo. This is explained how to do in the tutorials which we're going to be adding. Pretty simple to do. Now we've got an API key mode. Now what you can do is you can let users use their own key inside the API key, or you can let your users use your key. So you can use either one. So if you want to use my key, for example, then you put your master key in here. Well, we'll leave it as user's key. Now we also have a credit system here which you can turn on as well. So you turn on the credit system. With the credit system, your users can then purchase different credit blocks. Let's go back and we'll use user's key. We can turn off the registration page, change the color mode as well for the users area when they log in. So if we want to go something leafy green, we can do that. We can set the AI model. So we've got two presets in here, the new GPT-4o and the 3.5 Turbo. Now if you want to use a custom model, you can add that in. I'm going to use it, leave it as the preset AI one. Now here you can upload your HTML page. So you can upload that, let's say, so you can upload that directly into your folder. Again, same, you can upload your logo as well. Once you've set everything you need, just hit save all, and then you're all ready to go. So that's kind of the admin. As I said, you've got everything in there that you need. You've got the AR integrations. So when anyone registers to your copy of your app, the image builder, you can automatically collect the emails, put them across to your autoresponder and your webinars as well. You can also set Zapier, other webhooks as well. You can add to a webinar at the same time as they obviously get sent to the autoresponder. You've got ad settings, so you can add ads inside the system as well. You've got banners, you've got menu, you can extend the menu. So let's just close that down a second and I will show you what this is like inside. So I'm going to go in here. So you can see it changed to the leafy green. So what I need to do actually first is register. So I'll register. So I'll just pause that and put my password in. So registered there. So you can see this is what a user would see when they purchase. So you've got manage projects, new projects. So come over here to new projects. I'll need to put my key in as well. Just a moment. Let me show you inside the actual admin area. You can see I've registered there. One login. I haven't created any projects, etc. yet. So I'll go back over here and I'll go to settings. I'll add in my excuse me, OpenAI key. Okay, so I've added my key in. So project name, let's give this, we'll just use some drop downs. Horror, we'll not pick any categories, just quickly whip through this. We'll go with a preset size. We've got tons of different sizes here that you can utilize. As you can see, YouTube art, Facebook cover photos, HD, automatically resizes everything. We'll just go with the AI image. So what we're going to do is we'll pull an image down. So we'll go in the AI image, so enter the prompt. So we'll put something like you can enhance the prompt. You've got different types of image types in here, sizes. You've got image styles as well. So we'll go with graphic novel. So hit generate. It's generating the image. Just wait for the image to come down. You can see it's done that. So I'm going to save that. Now it's just not an image creator with this. It's a complete editor as well. You've got everything you need, so you can add text on there as well. Move it around. You can add shapes in there. Move those around. So you can really edit the image as well. It's not just a single kind of creator or anything like that. You can cut it down, you can fill colors, you can increase the object sizes. There's lots and lots you can do with it. So once you just save that, so you can go manage projects, so you can see it's saved there. Now if I go back to the admin area for this, it should say I've got one project set. So as you can see, there it is. So when you come through all these different apps, each one does different things. So for example, the affiliate system helps you with affiliates. Got all types of bonuses, different things for affiliates in there. Content system helps you create content, auto post to WordPress, things like that. Ebook system creates ebooks. This one's a custom app. The email system, this is an inbox system that creates multiple different emails in different personas, things like that. Next to a custom, the feed system is all for Instagram. The image one I've just shown you. And then you've got the sales system, which is a sales page creator. Then we've got the SEO system, which is an SEO system creator. So you put in a page, it lets you scrape a page, and then it'll give you all the keywords, things like that. Social system creates all different types of social media. There's 21 presets in there. Video system helps you create different video systems for like kind of TikTok, Instagram, all that kind of stuff. So those are the built-in apps. So you've got manage apps. You can see this one I've just deployed because I've deployed it. It's obviously gone here. Now you can come back to this anytime and get the admin info. You've also got a personal login as well. So if you don't want to log these in, deploy these before testing them, you can log in here. So just go personal login, and all you need to do is add in your email and password that you use to log into MicroSaaS AI. So you can test all those there if you don't want to deploy. So let's show you next custom apps. Now this is when you can create your own custom app. So you don't have to kind of stick to ours. You can create your own custom app here. Now if you've purchased if you're kind of on the VIP level, we're going to be adding one of these built-in apps every single month. Now with these apps as well, these built-in ones, because obviously you get white label rights, or the users get white label rights where they can rebrand, add in their own logos and everything else. We've got the PSDs, we've got the sales pages, we've got marketing materials and all the graphics to go with it as well. So let's create a custom app and I'll show you how that works. Show you how to create a custom app. Now, custom apps are like the built-in apps. The only difference is that your user gets to create the app themselves, then they get to rebrand it and resell. It's unique to them. It's not a built-in app. So you can move from app types here, built-in and customs. But what we'll do is we'll create a new custom app. So this may look a little bit complex when you first look at it, but it's really easy to use. Once you've done it once, you'll find it's very, very simple, and your users will as well. Now let's give the app a name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this affiliate tool. I'm going to create a quick tool for writing affiliate emails. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put under the email category. Now you've got multiple outputs you can choose here. So you can have a single output or a multi-output. So if you go multi-output, you can add in multiple prompts with multiple fields. But for the purposes of this quick demo, I'm just going to use single. Now here where it says scraper, you can use the scraper to scrape data from a site online where, for example, you want to write the content about or create the content for. So if you're doing affiliate offers, maybe you'd use the sales page, to create the data. So we'll add the scraper in. You can change the scraper message if you want. Now, as soon as you add scraper in, if you saw this little shortcode pop up here, I'll take it off. Just drop down. When you add it in, it drops in. Now you've got some fields that are already set there, so you don't need to add them in, or you can add them in if you wish. So audience, yeah, we'll need that for affiliate offers. Language, yeah, we'll add that in as well, and tone as well. So now what we need to do is we need to create the prompt, and then we'll add some custom fields in here for these shortcodes. So what I'll do is I'll write act as an expert affiliate marketer and email copywriter. I am going to give you details of a product scraped from its web page. So take that information and create. This is where we need to create our first custom shortcode. So what we'll do is we'll use a campaign. So what this campaign will do is it'll tell you how many emails we want. So how many emails, we'll use a text because we can have a drop down if we want, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment. So how many emails from, so how many emails take that information in the, so right, and create. So that's telling you how many emails to create. Then we need to add that at the end, and then we'll put in this tone. Oops, sorry. In this tone, and we'll put this should be to this audience. Put the audience in, and then we're going to put another drop down. I want the emails wrote in. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll do placeholder number 2, which is we'll do this in just length. So you see that, oops, I spelled that wrong. GH. So wrote in, and what we'll do is we'll do a drop down. So we'll edit the options, we'll put short and long. So you can do multiple options there as well, we'll just do that for now. and then I'll put in where I've scraped the data from. This should be, I want the email to be wrote in length short emails. Then we'll put in, here is the data I scraped from the product web page, and then what we'll do is we'll add the scraped data in there. We'll just put that there just to finish it off. I think that'll do for just a quick one. So what we'll do is we'll save up. So it's called affiliate tool. So we'll go to manage apps. So we'll go to affiliate tool. This is the one I've just created. So we'll go to test, and you can test and edit these as many times as you want before you deploy them. So you know you can keep going back and tweaking it, making it right before you actually kind of deploy it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab JVZoo's product of the day, which is Scribble. Go back over here, paste in the URL to scrape. So scrape URL. Okay, so it's scraped the data there. So I'm going to click next. So what we're going to do, these here are disabled in test mode because you don't really need them. Also, your user will not see this. This is just a test mode for you to see which, you know, style or model of the AI is best. So I'm going to leave it at 3.5 turbo. So I'm going to choose the language English. My target audience, I'll use marketers. Tone, I'll go enthusiastic. How many emails? Just write 2 emails, and we'll have short. Okay, so set there, then generate. See what it comes back with. Okay, so it's telling you a little bit about a deal there. So subject, then the email here, you can see it's just a short email. Then we've got email number 2, so let's change that to 3 emails, and we'll change the tone to encouraging, and we'll generate again. Okay, so as you can see, it's wrote as 3 emails this time. So 1, 2, and 3. Then if you want to export doc, text, or PDF, and you can copy as well. But now you can go back and you can tweak that. You can add more boxes here if you wanted the app to do more things. So you could add different things in like pre-headers as well and everything else. And this is a full editor, so you can edit this. So let's you bold in that. You can put a link in as well, so you can export these direct to your email client. Okay, so I think that's enough for the quick demo. If you've got any questions, just ask me and I'll be happy to help. So thanks for watching.